You need to learn Ansible right now. So Ansible is a configuration management tool which is at high demand today in the market. Every job role for cloud or DevOps engineer is asking for skills in this tool. And there are many companies who are using this at high demand because it is making the production very fast and it is making life of DevOps engineer very easy. Why is Ansible so useful and why it is at so demand? Because let me explain you this with a scenario. Consider you are working as a cloud engineer at a certain company and you want to install Apache web servers on thousands of EC2 instances. What you will do is you will SSH into each of the instance, run the command to install Apache on first instance and the same for second instance, for third instance, fourth, fifth, sixth and thousands. So you will be doing this process repeatably and most of the time you might run into some errors and it is very quite time consuming. So the company's work will be slow and there might be many errors, and that is where Ansible comes into play. You can tell Ansible what you want. You want to install web servers on thousands of EC2 instances. You just need to tell it to Ansible and Ansible will do the magic. Ansible can install applications or web servers on thousands of EC2 instances using just a single command, and that is why Ansible is so demanded in the market today. I'm creating a playlist where I'll be explaining you everything that is there to know about Ansible. I'll start with how Ansible actually works. Then we will see how to install Ansible on Linux machines. What is Ansible host file, how to create one, what is Ansible playbook, how to create Ansible playbooks, all the commands to run playbooks and things. By the end of this Ansible playlist, I will give you guarantee that you will know everything in and out about Ansible, and it will make you one step further for your cloud or DevOps engineer role. So watch the next video to know how Ansible actually works, where I'll be explaining you what is Ansible control node, what are Ansible managed nodes. See you in the next video.